Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to remove unwanted objects from your photos using Canva AI Magic Layers? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly delete objects from a photo using Canva Magic Layers on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. Next, tap Magic Layers. Now select the photo you want to edit. Canva will begin processing your photo. This may take a few moments depending on your device and internet connection. Once the photo is ready, tap the object you want to remove. Canva will highlight the selected object automatically. Now tap the trash icon. Canva will remove the selected object from the photo. The AI will automatically fill in the background where the object was removed. If needed, repeat the same steps for any other object you want to remove. Once you are happy with the result, tap the upload icon. From here, you can choose to share or download. For this example, tap download. Canva will process the image for a few moments. Once the export is complete, the image will be saved to your gallery. And that's how to remove objects from photos using Canva AI Magic Layers on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.